Welcome to Shivajyothi Life Transformation Course. Transform your life through wisdom by Shivajyothi. In this world, humans are facing various challenges in life because of karmic deeds. The mission of this course is to provide proper knowledge and guidance to overcome life's challenges and lead a happier and more peaceful life. This course helps you overcome life's challenges. The course provides proper guidance and deeper knowledge in various subjects such as yoga and mindfulness meditation, ancient breathing techniques, holistic healing therapy, Ayurvedic lifestyle, holistic diet, energy enhancement, how to protect from evil energy, how astrology is connected to human life, psychology, mind reprogramming, and Vedic scriptures. Register now.